Hey guys,
Hi,
welcome to our
everybody.
channel.
I'm Sharon
I'm Jesse, and together we are Salt and Pepper
Con
con
sabor.
sabor.
Okay, baby.
So, what we got here today is 3 of the popular brands of chicken found in our area. As y'all can see, KFC, Popeyes, and Church's Chicken. So, we're just going to try and sample some of the chicken from each one. I mean, we're not here to compare or tell you which one's better. We just here to enjoy the chicken.
I do want to compare these, babe. I need to compare these chicken because
we kind of got
we
we got our little drink there, got a little soda there, and we got to be I guess fair. We kind of got the crunchy version of each one. For the sides, Sharon likes corn on the cob. I don't, I'm not a big corn on the cob fan. Got some coleslaw and we got some string beans here.
And y'all, we don't really eat like this.
Yeah,
we don't like churches. I didn't have this since I was a little girl. I think I was a little girl when I had churches.
Yeah, and so we got our hot sauce ready today. We got our hot sauce and we got some honey. Throw up on there. We got our little plates here, and yeah, we're just gonna get into it. And, we're gonna do a little coleslaw. I'm a coleslaw.
I want to see which one is better though. I really do. So I do want to, because I don't hardly Popeyes. I do like Popeyes. But churches, I don't remember churches. I really don't. I think I was a little girl when I had this. And they got this here. Oh, shoot. So, anything that I tried, I don't want to put, I'm sorry, I did put some hot sauce on yours. I'm sorry.
Go ahead and grab me, what's this, Kentucky Fried Chicken? Grab a drumstick from Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and grab the drumstick.
I'm a wing person, so I'm going to grab a wing. I need
Popeyes,
to try.
you grab that one right there.
I need hot sauce. Definitely need hot sauce on this stuff.
What's that? Is that the drumstick?
Which one?
Is that the drumstick from?
This is Church's and this is Popeyes. And is this from KFC?
Yeah. Can I have the drumstick?
Yeah, you can.
That drumstick. I'm gonna do the drumstick. So now I don't know.
I want to know which one is better. This is
now. So here's KFC's drumstick. There's Popeyes. Yeah, look at that one. And there's Church's Chicken right there. So
I need honey, y'all. I need my honey.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead.
If you black, you know what time it is. You know we need hot sauce and we need some honey on these chicken, okay?
Yeah, so we're gonna do this hot sauce here, which looks actually really, really hot.
Which one did you do?
It's chunky.
Which one? You took the drum from where? Is that the Popeye one?
Yeah, I took the drum from whatchamacallit.
Was it Popeye? No.
I gave you the wing from them.
Yeah. Well, which one did you take from here?
Popeyes didn't have. I took the Church's Chicken.
Oh.
No, they don't have a. You took the wing is attached, right? Yeah, your wing's attached. So hold on.
All right.
Here you go.
You can just give me a wing.
It's attached to the breast meat or something. Here you go. I'm making a mess here. Here you go.
What hot sauce?
So I guess turn your box sideways so they can see what you're doing there. All right, so we should have grabbed that.
You got napkins? Thank you.
There.
All right.
Napkins here. Let me get that honey right there.
Oh, we should have just. So what we gonna try first? Let's just do.
It don't matter. I guess we can just eat whatever and just.
This is the KFC one.
That's the KFC one. So I.
And this is Church's.
I try the KFC drumstick first.
No, this is. I'm sorry. This is Popeyes, right? No, this is Church's and this is Popeyes. I want to put them in order. Okay.
All right, so we're gonna do KFC first.
Mm-hmm. Oh wow. This Jamaican hot sauce that we have on our chicken, y'all.
Now,
spicy.
I gotta admit, I like crunchy chicken, but I don't like it too crunchy because I like the meat part of it. So when I usually buy KFC, I usually get their original recipe. I don't get their crunchy version, but just to be fair, we got the crunchy of all of them.
Mm-hmm.
So, yep.
That smells good. It's spicy. This hot sauce is hot.
All right.
This sauce is hot. This is Jamaican hot sauce.
Now, actually, you know something? I'm surprised because as I'm looking at the chicken, like, again, here's KFC's crunchy version of, I guess, a breast. And look at Popeyes. KFC's actually looks crunchier. And Church's actually looks crunchier than Popeyes as well. Of course, they got their respective biscuits. We'll try that out as well too.
Mm-hmm.
So,
This biscuit look good here.
you know what I mean? So,
I got butter on it.
I'm gonna go ahead and try Popeyes drumstick.
Mm. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't bad. Let me go to Popeyes now.
Good.
You like that one?
What'd you little winglet? Yeah, I think I like it. I mean, I think the hot sauce and the honey's taken away from the flavor though.
No, the hot sauce and honey.
Yeah, so I really can't taste the chicken if the hot sauce and the honey I'm really tasting.
Mm.
I ate the whole wing.
This is Church's, y'all. This is Church's corn on the cob. Their corn on the cob is really good. It's really good. It has butter on it.
All right.
Salt.
Church's chicken drumstick.
That's Church's chicken? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so here's my Church's chicken. Let me see now. KFC wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It good. It was good. It was good.
Church's chicken's actually pretty good.
That was good. Holy shit, it is good.
Yeah, sure. Actually, I'm gonna have to say I like Church's chicken so far. That thing banging. My little coleslaw here. That hot sauce got some nice kick to it.
I'm dropping stuff already.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This is really good.
The greens look good. They got, I guess that's ham in it. I don't know what's in there. Popeye's flavoring up their greens there. Okay. Southern style. This is Popeye's, right? Yeah. Okay.
This is really good. Their chicken is really good.
Oh yeah.
I gotta try the coleslaw.
Alright. Did you want the breast or you want the thigh? I'm taking her little winglet because I like the little winglet area.
Let me try the coleslaw.
Hmm?
Let me try that coleslaw.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a coleslaw fan, but
Sorry.
I mean, I like it. If something's good, I like it. So I don't know. We'll see.
Alright. Go ahead and grab that big breast.
This is
right there.
KFC's.
KFC's breast.
Not bad.
There goes Popeye's breast. Get rid of
This
these
way, he needs some
bones.
hot sauce too.
And did Church's give us a breast or they?
No, Popeyes, no.
Yeah,
That string beans gotta go. I'm not a
Church
big
didn't
fan.
give us a breast. They gave us. Did it breast? Oh yeah, this is their little
It's all
breast.
good.
That's their little breast right there. And they gave us a breast section, I guess. I guess it's a breast. Is this a breast or a thigh? I think that's a thigh. This is their little breast piece that was attached to the. But they only had a 3-piece. They didn't have a 4-piece at Church's. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try it without the hot sauce first. That's good.
Popeyes, I know how to. I ain't tried theirs yet, but I know theirs is. So far.
Yeah, it's definitely not dry, but you know something? I gotta do this hot sauce. I like the hot sauce. Yeah.
The hot sauce is good.
Yeah. And I'm sorry if I'm hiding my plate from you guys. You know, the boxes are in the way, but I want you guys to see, you know, who we eating from. But, you know, I got my little plate right there. Sorry about that, guys. Slathering up the hot sauce on there.
Who do y'all like? Who do y'all prefer?
Yeah, who's your favorite? I mean, there's, you know, I mean, shit. Since that chicken sandwich came out, it looked like Popeyes like the most popular, chicken spot. Man, we got people fighting over chicken sandwiches and stuff like that.
I'm telling y'all.
As far as chicken's concerned, I mean, again, I gotta say, Popeyes is alright. It's not my favorite. I prefer KFC over Popeyes.
That chicken sandwich is good though. But it's crazy the way people were really, they were really fighting over that chicken.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, ridiculous. So, let me taste this one now. You know what? It is a difference. I never knew it was going to be a difference. Damn.
I hear you crunching more on that one though. What's that one from?
Popeyes.
That's Popeyes. That's a little crunchier.
Damn. And you know what? See, their biscuits. Look how buttery that looks. This is. It looks so delicious. This one here.
I think you already know. You gotta have a drink with Popeyes biscuits.
You gotta have a drink. KFC. I'm sorry. I'm not. You need a drink. This one here. Let me see. They got a little honey on that or something. Damn, surface. Like I say, I ain't had this since I was a little girl. I can remember going there. I don't remember what I had though.
Well, there's only one Church's chicken.
But this is good. This is the best biscuit.
Not too many KFCs out here either no more. Popeye's shutting them down, I guess. Census wise, I guess Popeye's is the better chicken again.
But thank y'all for joining us today. We definitely was talking about the chicken though, because we wanted to see like which one was the best one. Because there's so many chicken places out there.
Yeah.
And I really wanted to know, because I know, before I leave this earth, I want to just try these chickens. For real. KFC I had. Popeyes was good. But I stopped going to KFC when I was at Popeyes. But now Church's, this thing is delicious here. Especially this roll. Well, I'm sorry, not the roll. This biscuit is so good. It has honey on it, y'all. Honey and butter. Something, yeah. And the other ones, I know you're going to have to need a drink. I already know. You got to try that, baby.
They look moist, too.
And I usually have my little sippy sip with my food, but I said, let me eat first. Let me get my eating.
That biscuit is better.
That biscuit is good. So, to me, y'all, Church's biscuits, banger.
That's my mama's biscuits right there.
They got honey on it and butter. Something's on it, honey and butter.
My mama don't make no biscuits, though.
Thank you, baby.
I'm sorry.
That's all right.
That hot sauce got my lips.
Really?
There you go.
Oh, wow.
Banger. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Gotta eat them bones, dog.
But,
my baby always eats the little winglets.
the stream, I like good string beans, but
You don't like them?
Popeye string beans, no, not for me. So I don't know.
Alright.
Now, Church's corn on the cob.
Tackle that.
It's good.
Okay. KFC breast. You need a drink. That's a little dry there.
Bacon masala.
Mm-mm.
They got butter on it.
Okay.
That is really good. It's juicy. My face okay? It's my nose because I was wiping my own.
All right.
All right, I don't know. I think I better stay over here. I need some more hot sauce on this one.
I don't know.
Did I put my honey on this one?
What happened?
I mean, that hot, you know what? Excuse me. This is Jamaican hot sauce, but this is pretty. I mean, it's good. It's all right.
That Wacky Wood. What's that? Wacky Walker.
It says John Cano.
Oh.
That's what it says.
Mm.
So I'm just saying. But this is Jamaican sauce.
Janaku.
Wheat.
Janaku.
Janaku. Okay, W. Okay, for people don't know, when we're salt and pepper conservor, what conservor means with flavor. So every time we bring you a video, we're gonna have different things. You know, we're gonna bring different flavors and stuff like that to our channel. We basically doing things that we do all the time. So we, you know, everyday life that we do, like we eat all the time. So we're always out eating. When we together, we drink. We always making drinks at home. We do a lot of cooking at home though. We usually cook a lot at home, but we do love to go out too. I mean, because we work so much. We usually do a lot of our cooking and stuff at home. Now, but lately we've been eating out though. I'm gonna lie, we've been eating out a lot lately because our work schedules. He's been doing overtime. You know, I'm doing overtime sometimes. I don't know why, but I am. But we like to enjoy ourselves when we're together. So we're just gonna give you something that we do all the time, what we do. And one of the things we wanted to do is fry this chicken. Because
I'm a gristle eater, guys, so you know.
We don't usually eat like this.
Our routine right here.
Yeah.
She eat chicken, I clean the bones.
Now they need to put some. They need to start putting honey and butter on their biscuits too. Because I'm not saying it's a bad biscuit. It's a good biscuit, but I guess sometimes you gotta have your own because the hot sauce is spicy. It's not that spicy, but it's spicy. Well, so far, well, no. I was gonna say this only a 3-piece though.
Good.
This one is good.
Yeah, that piece is yours, baby. Them thighs are you, baby.
I can't eat like that.
Learn today.
I'm gonna learn today.
Woo. That coleslaw on it.
Let me find out.
What?
You're not eating.
I'm good. No. I mean, I ain't gonna drink them. I ain't gonna eat them biscuits because I already choked, so I ain't try.
KFC got a real good drink out, y'all. What is the name of this drink, babe?
What was that?
What's the name of this drink?
Oh, that's the KFC got this new drink out here in the Jersey, Philly area called Mountain Dew Lightning. Pretty good. I don't know what it is. I guess that's their version of an energy drink. I guess I don't know.
It's real good.
Yeah,
It's like
greens are alright. You know that.
Yeah. And I love vegetables, but no way.
Turn that corn up.
Well, That's probably why I'm eating corn like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Mm-mm-mm.
I'm just sorry.
Nah, I'm good. I've never been a big fan of corn on the cob. It's just, I don't know what it is, but I don't know. It's alright. Ooh.
When I used to make it, I used to eat it.
Yeah, no. I'm sure you can make it.
Oh.
It's gonna be nice.
Oh, that was nice.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'm on fire, y'all. But,
You're on fire.
yeah. That hot sauce is spicy. It's a little hot.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
But it goes well with the honey, though.
Mm-hmm. Let me try this dry biscuit. Ooh, I know it's dry. It's dry like that.
That one is super dry. KFC's biscuit, y'all. I love KFC, but I love all the food. It's just certain things you need to drink.
Mm-hmm. That's a dry biscuit.
Damn.
Mm-hmm.
By far, I would say
That's what it is.
Church's is best for me.
Mm-hmm.
My number one. Popeyes and then KFC.
I can go Church's Chicken, KFC, then Popeyes. I'm just, you know.
As far as that crunchy chicken goes.
Yeah. I mean, look at the crunch factor. I mean, even though I guess KFC sells theirs as extra crunchy, and they just have one style in Popeyes. I mean, granted, this is probably all skin. I'm gonna go ahead and eat the hot sauce in there now.
Mm-hmm. So y'all, I was telling you, I'm learning Spanish.
She ain't learning nothing, dog.
And
You've been learning for 25 years.
I'm serious. I'm not gonna lie.
I even try to talk Spanish to her while we doing our thing in bed.
Say something to me now, babe.
Huh?
Say something. I know. I understand it more than I can conversate with them.
De los tres pollos, ¿cuál te gusta más mejor?
Okay. I know. Wait. Hold up. I know exactly what he said.
What
Why did I eat all those 3 pieces of chicken?
She got it all wrong.
Okay.
Say it like I told you.
He says. I know he said something about the chicken.
De los tres pollos, ¿cuál te gustó el mejor?
Okay. 3 pieces of chicken.
I ain't saying nothing about no 3 pieces. Bro.
Okay. Something about the chicken. That's all I know. And
Yeah, she understood pollo.
what'd you say, babe?
I said of the 3 chickens, which ones you like best?
Oh shoot! See, I was close. Okay, I was close.
She got the chicken part right.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna tell him.
One thing. It's extra crunchy.
La Churches.
It's extra
Can I say La
crunchy.
Churches? Can I say La?
No.
Okay.
Say churches.
Churches. Okay. If I want to pick it up, I will pick it up. I don't know. It's just sometimes it's my brain, y'all. I don't, you know. I'll pick up what I want to pick up. But I hear certain words and I'll be like, okay.
You know how to say, give me my check.
Now let me check it. I know how to say that. Give me my check. Now let me check it. Okay? Because I don't play no games when it comes to my money. Y'all got to pay me and then cause, I mean, I'll be nice about it, but don't play with my money. Okay? That be in. See, like I like that, like, you know, okay, so the word of the day, you know what? Maybe we have a word of the day, like, so I can learn, but don't quote me on these words, though. But maybe we can learn a new word, babe. Because he's actually fluent in English, Spanish, and
German.
And German.
Pellejo.
Be,
not be. Pe.
Be.
Je. Ho. Pellejo.
Pellejo.
Skin.
So, pellejo means skin, y'all. So, okay. Pellejo.
Huh?
Pellejo.
Okay, don't say pendejo.
No, I said be.
Okay.
Pellejo. I mean, because I talk fast sometimes, so, you know.
Pellejo. Skin. For all you non-Spanish speakers out there. Pellejo. Skin. Which is this piece of chicken Had a lot of. I didn't know you can make a thigh dry as hell. But all right.
This food was
Oh,
was
good.
so good.
How good? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Pellejo
Pellejo.
is bueno. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I like the best, though. The skin.
Got my nose running. That. Ooh. Awesome.
Wait,
Yeah,
if y'all don't know what that means,
All right, that's it. I'm
he
done,
said
guys.
boogie. So,
Mocoso.
mogoso.
Mocoso.
Okay?
Boogered up. Oh,
Boogie, y'all.
boogies.
All right, so thank you guys.
Guys, thank y'all for watching. Join us if you like what you see. Subscribe to our channels. Give us a big fat thumbs up, like, comment down below.
Yeah, let us know what y'all want to see, y'all,
You
because
know, and see y'all next time, guys.
we're basically just going into our life of every day and what we do on a daily basis. So I thank you guys for watching and subscribe and let us know if you like it or not.
Peace.
Bye, y'all.
Hopefully you recorded.